This is the third problem on 4.2, and notice we're back to smaller numbers, so we can assume inches again. It's an L shape, and it has a cutout here at the top and a cutout here on the other part. So let's start with an L shape, I think, and let's sketch on this plane first. So let's pull up Inventor. We'll say New Part. When we click Part from here, it assumes that we want inches. And I said I want to start with this sketch. We always want to start with that little dot there in the bottom center. Okay, there's my L shape. I'll right click and select trim. Get rid of those. And it's 3.5 long. It is 2.5 tall. This is 1 inch. And this is 1 inch. Okay. Let's extrude. So I just tapped E on my keyboard to do that. And this whole thing is, how long is that? It's a 1/2 inch. It's a 1/2 inch plus 1.5 inches plus a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 and 1.5 is 2, 2.5 total. Okay, let's make a new sketch here. And we're going to make a 2-point rectangle. It's going to be a 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches and a 1/2 inch down, I believe. E for extrude, and we are going to cut that, and that's silly to go back that far, so we'll just change it to all. There we go. Make another sketch here. I need to know how far back this goes, but that's not going to do it, right? You know how far back from this point. So that distance is 1.5. The width of it is a 1/2 inch. And the distance from this edge here is 1. So now if I go to extrude, I don't care about this part up front, because when I go to cut it, it just kind of disappears. So that's a cut. Distance is all. There we go. And that should be all of that one too. So let's go save. Make sure you have this in the right place. Inventor 4.2, 4.2.3.